Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to enable internet speed meter in any iPhone. So in iPhone here is no default options to enable or see your internet speed meter. So to enable it we have to use a third-party app, and here's how to get and set up it. Go to your app store and search for traffic speed monitor. Just search for it, and here you will find this app, traffic monitor with widget. So all you have to need, install this app, and as you can see this app size is only 6.6 megabytes, so it's a very lightweight app. Just install the app. Once the app installed, open the app, tap on accept, and now close the app. Now go to your iPhone widget page, and once you are in your iPhone home screen, main home screen, here just swipe to the right side and you will directly jump into this widget page. Here tap on edit and tap on customize, and in this add widget box you will find this traffic monitor speed and traffic monitor usage. So to add traffic monitor or internet speed monitor, you have to add this traffic monitor speed. Just tap on this plus icon to add it. Once the widget added, tap on done, and here as you can see I've successfully added my internet speed meter. Now I'm going to opening my YouTube app and now going to the widget page, and here as you can see currently my download and upload speed showing up here. This is my download speed and this is my upload speed. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.